Taking a look at crude oil, it falls to a new low for the decline, but is showing signs of potential support as it's almost reached the 78.6% retracement level. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Please find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So you can see that crude has continued to fall today, but we had buyers show up off the low, and the low almost completed a 78.6% retracement, and the completion, the initial target for a falling A, B, C, D pattern. And notice they come almost to the exact same price, 69.68 and 69.70. It doesn't have to be hit exactly. We do have a bullish hammer candlestick pattern setting up for today, and we also had one yesterday. That means that a bullish signal may be triggered above today's high of 71.53, assuming that this support zone does hold and it leads to further upside. Then we'll be watching for additional signs of strength. First, crude would need to reclaim the 20 moving average is 72.63, confirming strength, and then the orange 50 moving average at 73.17. But of critical interest, at least to me anyway, is this bottom of this large symmetrical triangle pattern. The breakout occurred over here, breakdown, I'm sorry, occurred over here, but then a potential failure was in play as a rally came in and took price back into the pattern. Now we're back below the breakout level and below the bottom boundary line. So crude needs to recapture that line before it has a chance to go any further. So the first is this downtrend line here, then the purple 20, then the 50 orange, and then this line right here. And then we could also use this day's high 75.32 to give further confirmation that strength is really showing up and buyers are showing up, because there's two things going to happen here in crude. If this symmetrical triangle is retained, there's also always a possibility it can expand into a larger pattern. But the potential is on the upside, breaking to the out of the triangle to the upside. Alternatively, it continues to the downside, and the breakdown goes further to the downside. And you can see that the apex of the triangle is getting closer. So we're certainly getting much closer to follow through from a breakout of the symmetrical triangle. Okay, that is it for crude traders. Have a great Friday.